This video describes the unassisted application procedure for an Abri-Flex Premium. Make sure that you choose the right size and that the absorbency is suitable for your incontinence level. To determine your size, measure your hips at their widest point, which typically lies 10 centimeters below the navel. Fold the product lengthways with the back sheet turned outwards. Please do not touch the inside of the brief. On the back side of the brief, you can see the tape with which you can fixate the used product later. Put on the Abri-Flex as if it was normal underwear and make sure it fits properly in the groin area. Check the edges for a proper fit. When the product needs to be changed, side seams can be torn off. The product can be easily removed as it opens on both sides. Then pass the pants between the legs from the front to the back. The pants can be rolled up and thrown away.